In this video, we'll talk about the basic concepts of test management in Codebeamer. It's important to mention that in Codebeamer, test management is based on the requirements and furthermore, the principles of versioning. Let's go over this diagram to help us understand the basic concepts of test management in Codebeamer. First, we start with a requirement. From that requirement, we derive a test case. These test cases contain pre-actions, post-actions, parameters, and test steps. Pre-actions and post-actions can be considered guidelines and best practices before and after our testing procedure. The test steps can be considered the testing procedure itself, and we can include preset parameters to streamline our procedure. The test cases are collected in their own dedicated trackers. After we finalize our test case, we need to execute a test run. These test runs are derived directly from the test case and also contained within their own trackers. What I have explained is the simplest and most direct way of our test management. But let's expand a little bit and talk about test sets. Test sets are basically work items contained within their own tracker. Within these test sets, we can collect a number of different test cases. These test cases will be considered a part of that specific set and can be handled as such. For example, we can even specify that these test cases should be executed in a specific order within the test set. A test configuration is considered an environment with its own variables. With this, we can cut down on redundant work, which otherwise would have to be done due to different environments. After our test planning is done, we can move on to test execution. This can be done online with Codebeamer, or offline with Excel, or with any compatible outside testing tool. After this, the results can be monitored with our different tools, such as dashboard widgets, the test coverage browser, and the direct results of our test runs. Furthermore, if any issues are encountered during test execution, they can be directly reported to our bug tracker.